Today we're taking on the iconic haircut of Sebastian Stan as the Winter Soldier from the Marvel Universe. And this is a request that I have been getting for I don't know how many years and years and years and years. And it's a style that blends the rugged edge with a modern military type of cool look. Now, this look features a medium length hair cut with a natural flow, some layered movement and texture, and really subtle shaping to frame the face. It's not just grown out hair, but it's very intentional. So let's break it down. So starting with the back and the sides, his hair isn't really faded. There's no clippers, obviously. It's all about, softness and keeping the length. There's some slight layering and tapering, but it's really kept full and natural, allowing the hair to have a very natural, either swept back or wavy looking or textured hair. The top has long layers, probably about 5 to 7 inches in length, depending on how much movement you want. If you want less movement and you want your hair to lay flatter, then leave the layers a bit longer. If you want to have more movement and texture, or see maybe even a slight wave to your hair, then I would say have the layers cut shorter. But you don't want to go too short with this. His parting isn't really super defined. It's more about like having it brushed back and more of a natural flow, which ends up being almost like a middle part, to be honest with you. So I cut this all in a very simple way to preserve the length without moving a ton of weight. And I want to give it that kind of lived-in, worn-in feeling. And that's the technique that is best associated with cutting either square layers or just longer layers in general. Now, the front, in some of the photos, is the shortest part of the haircut, and that's why I do angle the sides up a little bit into that point in the front. Now, that front piece depends on how long you want that. It's really preference. I'm trying to match it up as close as I can to the character, but it really depends on you personally. What is your goal? And also keep in mind, what is your natural shape and texture of your hair? If you've got like really dry, frizzy hair, then you may have to use some products. If you have straight hair, then you can achieve this. If you have wavy hair, then you can achieve this. It's really about getting the right haircut. So Bucky Barnes, a.k.a. the Winter Soldier, he's a complex character. Not just an assassin, but he's a guy caught between his past and present. And the haircut in the film reflects that. It's a departure from the clean-cut, traditional military styles we've seen, but now it's more, he's rogue, unpredictable, and that shows in his hair. It's gritty, cinematic, and it became probably one of the most requested styles for a long time on my channel, which I thought I had done it, and I'm pretty sure I talked about it, but as I mentioned, I am going back to doing a lot more of these celebrity recreations. So Sebastian Stan, he wore it with confidence, but the hair itself, it helped define that version of Bucky. Messy, but intentional, just like the storyline. When it comes to styling this, the cut really, it can work on its own, but I decided to use Tidal wave when I was styling it. And I just wanted to keep a very lightweight, light texture type of look. So I sprayed in my Tidal Wave sea salt spray. And then if you notice, when I'm blow drying it, I do go in with my blow dryer and the diffuser. And I wanted to use a diffuser. And if you have straight hair and you're looking to add some wave and some texture, you can achieve this by using the diffuser and the scrunching technique that I'm doing in this. And the sea salt spray Tidal Wave will give you a light, beachy grit without weighing it down. And it's also going to add some volume too. So a lot of it is trying to work it through with my hands. I'm trying to keep it where it doesn't frizz up. So I'm also doing some taming as well. I'm not rough drying it and spreading the hair all over the place with my hands. You really have to use more of a taming motion with this. No brushes, except I do use a brush in the front to smooth out that part in the middle with those pieces hanging down. But it's really about trying to create a lived-in but also undone look. And then after I blow dried it, I wanted to tame it and give it that next day or lived in kind of gritty look. And I chose Shadow. Shadow is really great for those types of looks because it has a very light controlled hold and it's pretty easy to work with. You don't need a lot of it, but it's really good if you're looking to really control or tame the hair, okay? If you want to use the crafted matte pomade, that's another good option, but that has a little too much hold in my opinion. You can also just use Tidal Wave and scrunch it and let it air dry and then maybe a couple of spritzes, and let it set it and forget it. So, you can achieve this if you've got very naturally straight or even somewhat wavy hair. So whether you're a Marvel fan or just looking for a laid-back, longer style with some edge, the Winter Soldier haircut is pretty timeless. It works well for thick, straight to wavy hair types. And like I mentioned before, you need the right cut and the products. It's surprisingly easy to maintain. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more characters like this, or you have any special requests, you can leave a comment below and I'll take a look. And if you're styling your own version of this look at home, you can find everything I use, the products, all at my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. And I really appreciate you all watching. And sometimes the best haircuts are the ones that look like you didn't try too hard. Remember that. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.